Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new and you enjoy this video, hit the subscribe button, leave me a comment. I try to reply back when I can. Yeah, share this video with friends, family, anybody else who like to watch eating videos. I know I love to. And welcome back, my Willow BBs. Today we're having sausage, rice, cucumbers, butter sauce. I only put half in here because it's taking forever to warm up, but it should be plenty for me right now. I always forget to take these things out before I even start, so sorry. Oh, and I have some ice water to drink. I have a doctor's appointment today, otherwise I would be drinking a beer for you guys. Tell my burping lovers, I'm sure that I'll still burp. But let's get started. Put some on the rice. Hopefully you guys can see it okay. I tried to angle it good, but it was being done, so. So good. I know I did this not too long ago, but I couldn't think of anything else that I wanted. So, I have like a canker right there from my braces. Kind of sucks. It stings. Gotta get all that onion on there. I need more lemon. You guys already know. And this is my favorite rice too. It's the jasmine sticky rice, and you can buy it at Walmart or Smith's or I'm sure any store. Also, you might hear my daughter in the background. She's not happy that she needs to take a nap. But she's being sassy today, so. And so was the puppy. So I was just like, nope, it's not time for both of you. Make it a good big bite. Big bite. Kind of. I have a small mouth, so it's a big bite for me. Two. I can't wait to get these damn things off. I want to eat like a normal person again. Soon. Hopefully in January or February. Oh, can't waste any of the rice. I don't know how well you guys can see it. Hang on. Can you see it a little bit better? Can't waste any of the onions either. already getting kind of full. I just need like a really big one. Excuse me for all those that don't like it. My nose keeps on running. It's annoying. Sorry, I'm not very talkative today. Ooh. Ooh. I don't want to get the hiccups. But yeah, I'm sorry I'm really not that talkative today. It's been kind of well, from the time that I woke up. Just been one of those mornings, I guess. Like, keeps getting stuck. Oh man. I'm getting so full. Anyways, I hope you guys are all having an amazing day. It's like almost 2 here. I woke up at 11 because we have all of our kids. So I've been, like last night, I stayed up and watched a scary movie with Edward, and we stayed up until like almost 1:30. I was not built for that. Well, I was in high school. I'm not anymore. We watched A Quiet Place. Just a really good movie. I need to watch the second one. Or at least finish the cucumber. But yeah, so I slept in until 11. Which I'm sure that's part of the reason why my puppy decided to go batshit today. Because she hadn't been let out of her crate yet. I know that her breed is super hyper anyways. I just need the biting and stuff to stop. It's driving me nuts. Sounds like my husband's home. But I guess I'm going to let you guys go since I don't really have a topic and I'm full. And yeah. I'm trying to make more videos. I know some of them are really short. But I'm trying to do more things, so yeah. Anyways, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button if you are not subscribed yet, and leave a comment below. Share with your friends and family. Sorry, I'm trying to get my thoughts together. I'm still very tired and out of it. But yeah, leave me a comment, and most of the time I do respond, unless I don't know what to respond back, so. But I will always give you your comment a heart, because I appreciate the love and for you to take time out of your day to write me a sweet comment. I love it. Thank you guys so much. I will see you guys in the next video. Yeah, lots of love, my little babies.